Hi, I am Valya Agrawal, a student of FIITJEE Jaipur in 3-year classroom program. I would like to thank my parents, FIITJEE faculty at Jaipur, as well as the entire FIITJEE system for helping me to get to crack JEE, as well as to help me to get into the team that will represent India at 40th ICHO at Georgia. I joined FIITJEE in class 7th. Basically for excelling in NTSE and as well as Olympiads, and then I joined FIITJEE in 10th. The one unique thing about FIITJEE is it has a small batch size and a competitive environment. Most institutes, what happen is they have a excessively competitive environment that may be negative on the students, or they have extremely personalized attention, which may result in lack of their understanding of their standing at national level. So this is a very unique system at FIITJEE where it provides personalized attention through its small batch size, which is approximately 1/10 of the normal batch size in other coaching institutes. The FIITJEE faculty team is a strong and experienced team. They have a different methodology of teaching in FIITJEE. They pay more attention to learning rather than mugging. They pursue us to think differently rather than to just use the formula and get the answer. If you think only the way that the question has to be solved and put the formula, get the answer, you won't be able to learn science. Only way you can learn science is to think and to ponder. FIITJEE has a unique test system where it has a weekly test where students can check their progress about their learning, and as well as the All India phase test that they have that tells you about how much have you learned and how much do you need to learn to be perfect in a subject. Also, the FIITJEE's All India test series that it hosts, that is a very good indicator about what is your national standing. Also, the unique thing about FIITJEE is the test analysis session, which most of the institutes skip. The test analysis sessions are, I think, more important than taking the test, because if you take a test and you do not know where did you go wrong or what are your weak points, there's no point in taking the test. So after that test, the elaborate test analysis session that we have, that is a very beneficial point where you can come to know about your weakness and your strength and work upon them as required. We have these doubt clearing sessions 1 hour or 2 hours before the classes, where we can ask our faculty members the doubts we have of the class, as well as during the self study or of the test that we have, or the quizzes or worksheets that we are given. So these sessions are unique in the sense that they give a large amount of personalized attention to the student. They are one-to-one, and there is no such thing as one boy asks and every student has to listen. It is a one-to-one interaction. After I joined FIITJEE, the way I used to take exams has been completely changed. The exam temperament is a very important part of taking an exam. If you do not have the good temperament for taking the exam, you won't probably succeed in the examination. After joining FIITJEE, the FIITJEE provides almost a real type of feel of the examination, which is helpful in the real examination as well, which helps you to perform better and achieve better. I cleared Mathematics Olympiad first stage. I cleared Astronomy Olympiad twice in 11th and 12th, and in 12th I got selected for the camp. I also cleared Astronomy Olympiad in class 11th. I cleared Chemistry Olympiad in class 11th and in class 12th. In class 11th I was selected for the camp, and in class 12th I'll be representing India at the final stage, that is the International Chemistry Olympiad. The last 2 months before the examinations were extremely crucial for me. FIITJEE provided a large number of notes that for revision, as well as the tests that were conducted were based on the examination pattern, which helped us to gain confidence and temperament of the examination. FIITJEE gives Rankers test paper file, which is a series of test papers, as well as Grandmasters package. That is a very good package that we can read and revise all our concepts in one go. And also the rank improvement tests that we have, that are the tests that are based on the weak points of ours that has been analyzed throughout the year, which is helpful in improving on our weaknesses and also simultaneously improving on our strengths as well. The advice I would like to give to my juniors is that you have to discover your interest as early as possible, because it gives you a good amount of time to grow your interests and excel in it. Besides starting early, you also need to choose the right institute for you to be successful. The method is very simple. You need to talk to the students of multiple institutes and take the good and the bad points of the institute. Only seeing the results might be misleading sometimes. In the end, I would like to thank FIITJEE faculty and FIITJEE Jaipur Center, as well as the entire FIITJEE system, for helping me and guiding me throughout my journey to get a very good rank in JEE.